Namaste students, I am JV Dr. Aziz Sumit Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth. Today I am going to discuss about the topic role of microorganisms in the public and medicine, public health and medicine. So what are the role of microorganisms in the industry, medicine and pharmaceutical industry? In the previous video, I discussed about the role of the microorganisms in the agriculture, in public health, and in industry. And today, it will be related to the role of microbes in the health and medicines. So, pharma industry and research center. Role of microbes in the pharma industry and research center. Uh, there are different microorganisms, and in the field of the microorganisms, the cell structure and the function of microbes will allow the pharmacist to discover antimicrobial drugs. Different antimicrobial drugs which are prepared from the microorganism. And these antimicrobial agents, antimicrobial drugs will have important role in prevention of some microorganisms which have important role in prevention of some communicable disease like tuberculosis and the sexual transmitted disease. These are the communicable diseases. So we can prepare some antimicrobial agents from the microorganisms which will prevent the disease. Pharmaceutical microbiologists work on the to ensure the drug therapy will target the opportunistic microorganism like without any harming the human host. So they are trying to develop different kinds of different kinds of antimicrobials. And some pharma drugs which will inhibit the growth of fungus. Some important role of pharmaceuticals is the use of the microbes in medically important studies such as the bacterial reduction, which it is the adaptation from a protein from plasma membrane of hello-bacterium. So these are the basic requirement, basic use of one another thing that microorganisms which are being used in the production of some antibiotics. So, I will give some examples of the antibiotics from the bacteria and fungi, such as the streptomycin. Streptomycin is produced by the Streptomyces resins, and uh, chloromycin is produced by the Streptomyces uh, vermicans, and kanamycin is also antibiotic which is produced by the Streptomyces cannomyces. Uh, Vancomyces is produced by the Streptomyces or Streptomyces orientalis, and neomycin is produced by the uh, Streptomyces threadi. Novobiocin is produced by the Streptomyces livens and spheroids also. Uh, chloro, chloroticycline is also antibiotic. This is produced by the Streptomyces orophaciens, and bacteriocin is a antibiotic. This is produced by the Bacillus liqueformis and Bacillus subtilis. And polymyxin and amphotericin B is also produced by the some species of the Bacillus polymyxa and Streptomyces nodosus. So these are the examples. And some pharmaceutical industry use these bacteria to make vitamins, antibiotics, and some other bacteria can be used to produce insulin, which can be used for the control of diabetes. Yeah. Some examples of the fungus which are used in the production of antibiotics include penicillium, which is penicillium, which is isolated from the Penicillium notatum, Penicillium chrysocinum, and Rhizophilum, which is isolated from the Penicillium rhizophyllum, and Cyclosporum, which is isolated from the Acrinum species, and fuchsic acid is a Fucsidiocompendium, and these are very important antibiotics. Some another new antibiotic which are produced from the fungus include the ketoconazole, fluconazole, miconazole, traconazole, and luliconazole. These are effective against the fungus. These antibiotics inhibit the growth of fungus, viruses, bacteria. And now, role of microorganisms in the pharma industry. Some viruses and viruses are used for the preparation of some vaccines. Okay. We cannot produce our vaccine by any kind of synthetic product. These vaccines are natural and they are produced from the viruses which cause disease. Okay. For example, uh, any virus which cause measles, so the virus which is causing the measles, the vaccine will be produced against the measles by killing the virus of measles, and then we will insert the virus of measles into the human body so that our immune system will be activated. The virus which is inserted inside the human body is inactivated virus, so it will not be able to cause disease to the humans. Some examples include the measles, chickenpox, hepatitis, tuberculosis, polio. These are the examples. The microbes, especially bacteria and the bacteriophages, are an important group which are used in the biotechnology for production of hormones, vaccines, and other uh, products. Similarly, the microbes are being used in the production and they are used in some medical devices. Some microbes help in the understanding the mechanism principle of medical devices, such as the fluorescent fusion, which are used for fast and precise detection of the pathogens in tissue samples. And it is a technology for carrying the immunofluorescence studies that may be applied to find specific cells in complex biological system. Some role of and microorganism in some biopharmaceutical testing is also possible, and they are these microbes are being used in the testing of different pharmaceutical products. Biopharmaceuticals are a class of medicine products which are typically produced using biotechnology, and most commonly in a bioreactor are produced. They are produced in a bioreactor. These products include some examples include the therapeutic proteins such as interferon, insulin, and the vaccines are produced which may be live or inactivated or attenuated. Stem cells are also there, so they are also produced. Oligonucleotide RNA DNA, they are also produced. Gene therapy vectors are also some products which are produced in bioreactors. So the production of process of these molecules is complex and sensitive to the contamination. And mycoplasma, viruses, bacteria, and the fungi can cause some trouble in production of these products. Even in some well maintained and well designed production plants, these microbes can cause contamination. When microbes are used for their beneficial effects, it is equally necessary to eradicate them and example from they are eradicated by the sterile products. hospital section. So these must be killed. Okay, these microbes must be killed from the normal processes, normal biotechnological processes. So this is all about the uh, role of microorganisms in the field of pharma industry. So I hope that students have better understood all these things. In this lecture, I discussed about the application of microorganisms in the medicine and pharmaceutical industry, and given some examples of bacteria and some fungal antibiotics. Also, some role of microorganisms in the pharma industry, in medical role in the medical devices, role in the biopharmaceutical testing, and also their role in the contamination process also, which is not a beneficial role. So these all are discussed in this lecture. So I hope students will better understand all these things. If you have query, you can ask me. The question is going to arise to explain the role of microbes in the industry, explain the role of the microbes in the pharma, in medicine industry, in the testing of the industry, in the pharmaceutical industry, in testing of the pharmaceutical medicine industry. So what are their role? So examiner can answer in any language, in anything. So you can answer all these things. So my lecture is over here. If you have anything, you can ask me. Thank you.